Welcome to Snaplify Cloud Services, Origin. In this tutorial, content partners, or publishers, will learn how to create product vouchers using Origin Basic. To create vouchers, you will need the Marketplace user role within Snaplify Cloud Services. Start by navigating to scs.snaplify.com and sign in using your Snaplify account. Select Marketplace from the menu, then Vouchers from the menu on the left. You may create up to 25 vouchers per month with Origin Basic to distribute your content for complimentary purposes as well as sales. Vouchers reset on the first of each month. Click the New button to begin creating a new voucher. Complete the form with the following details. Label. This is the name of your voucher. Code. A code is generated automatically, but you can customize it. It should be unique each time. Reference. Add a unique internal reference, such as an order or invoice number. Quantity. This is set to 1 by default in Origin Basic. This number represents how many users may redeem this voucher. Complimentary. Mark whether the voucher is complimentary or not. Complimentary vouchers cannot be sold. If a voucher is not complimentary, it means you will be receiving payment from a customer for the voucher you created. Complimentary type. If complimentary, choose a reason from the drop-down. Voucher expiry date. Set the expiry date after which the voucher will no longer be valid and access to any associated ebooks will expire. The expiry date is determined from the date the voucher is created. Once you've completed all fields, click Save. You'll be directed to the Detailed view, which provides key information like label, reference, quantity, redemption status, and activity history. To add products to your voucher, scroll down and click Add. Search for a title using its name or ISBN. When it appears in the results, click the plus sign to add the title. Confirm the selection by clicking Yes. To refine your product search, select Advanced next to the search bar. This opens additional filters that help you narrow down the available content and quickly find the titles you're looking for. Use the filters that best match your search criteria, then add the titles you need. Repeat this process to add more titles. To return to the main voucher information screen, click on the breadcrumb or your voucher label name. To add multiple products at once, use the Import feature. Follow the example format to enter digital ISBNs. Each ISBN must be on its own line. Click Save. A confirmation screen will list all added products. Click Cancel to return to the voucher details screen or Import to add more. Only products that are in your Snaplify catalog will import successfully. You may still edit the products in the voucher by removing products as needed before it is activated. Select the checkbox next to the product and then click the Remove button. Once you are satisfied that you have the correct products on your voucher, activate the voucher. Click Activate, then Confirm by clicking Yes. Keep in mind that you can only deactivate a voucher that is active and has not yet been redeemed. Once you deactivate a voucher, the action is permanent and the voucher cannot be reactivated. If you need to issue the voucher again, you'll need to create a new one. That's all there is to creating a product voucher in Origin Basic. For more help and written guides, visit the Snaplify Cloud Services knowledge base. Thanks for watching.